Let's move variables in include. You can send variables into the template by using the with keyword. In the include file, you refer to the variable by using the let me understand with the help of example. The syntax is the variable name. Let me show you. And inside the include tag of Django, we have a topic how to send variables into the template by using with keyword. So let's see with this. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. As I told you earlier, you can send variables into the template by using the with keyword. Let's see what I am saying with the help of example. I just open my VS Code, and inside my templates I am going to create another file with name my menu.html, and inside this I am going to use the div tag, and here home, and inside this curly braces again, this is me, the variable me, and after that the r about, and this is forum, and after that channel, this will be channel. So I am using two variables, this is channel and me. So home, about, forum and channel. I just create a file with my menu.html. Inside this div tag I am going to include the variables me and channel, and after that I am going inside this template.html. as you see here, let me save this code, and here on the top of this I'm going to include, let me use the Django tags, and here with the help of include and my menu.html, this will be my menu.html, and after that with the help of with keyword, me will be Ahmad. Let me assign the value for me variable, and as well as the channel code with Hafiz. If I give some space here, this will be with, so code with Hafiz, the channel name is code with Hafiz, and me, the variable name, the name of myself, me, and my menu.html. Inside my menu.html I am going to use the me variable, as you see, as well as the channel variable. So with the help of include Django tag I am going to use this. Let me run this. You can send variables into the template. As you see, you can send variable inside the template by using the with keyword. With the help of with keyword I am going to send the variables using the temp keyword with. Let me save this and save this again, and if I refresh this, as you see, I am getting home the me variable value Ahmad, and about and forum, and the channel value code with Hafiz. So in this way you will send variables into the template by using the with keyword. So in the include file you refer to the variable by using the curly braces, as you see here. In the include file, this is my menu.html. I want to include this inside this template.html. In the include file, you refer to the variable by using the curly brackets 2 times and the variable name. The me and the channel name is the variable name. With the help of these, you can send variables into the template by using the with keyword. I hope this will make sense for you. Thanks for watching.